Hello and welcome to iNurture videos. In this video, we will discuss about functions and objects in JavaScript. At the end of this video, you will be able to explain the use of custom objects and its properties. Explain the process of function creation and how it is called. Functions and objects are the important features of the JavaScript. Functions have properties and methods just like an object and are called as first-class objects. Functions increase the reusability and objects allow encapsulation. A JavaScript function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. Functions of JavaScript are defined by function keyword. A JavaScript function is executed when it is invoked or called. Syntax for function. A function is defined by function keyword followed by function name. A set of parameters are used for arguments separated by commas and a block of return in curly braces. Function names are similar to variable names. Variables are containers used for sorting the data values. All the rules of variable names applies to function names also. Invoking of a function is done from another part of the code. Syntax for invoking a function. Syntax for addition. The following code invokes the function and passes the value 4 and 3 for the parameters number 1 and number 2 for the syntax 1. The function returns the sum of two values assigned by variable var sum. Objects of JavaScript are defined in two ways. By using the new object, constructor, assigning object value contained inside a set of curly braces. While designing an object by new object, constructor dot has to be used. Defining an object that has attributes and methods. Let's see an example for defining an object. JavaScript language has built-in objects like date and math. These built-in objects allow to perform the operations easily. The date object constructor methods are new date. This constructor creates date object by representing the current date or time. New date or milliseconds. This constructor creates date object which represents date or time value after specified milliseconds. New date or year, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds. This constructor creates date object which represents the specified year, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds. New date or date string. This date constructor creates date object which represents the date or time value specified as a string. Math object in JavaScript assists to perform mathematical operations. Math object is supported by several constants and methods. The constants which support math object are math.pl. This returns the value of mathematical constant PL. Math.sqrt16. This returns the square root of 16. The methods in the math object are math.min. It displays the minimum value in the argument list. Example, math.min 20, 30, 4, 5, 2 returns 2. Math.max. It displays the maximum value in the argument list. Example, math.max 20, 30, 4, 5, 2 returns 30. Math.power yz. It returns the value of y to power of z. Example, math.power 2, 3 returns 8. Math.floor. It rounds the downwards to its nearest integer. Example, math.floor 3.9 returns 3. Math.square-root. It returns the square root of the given number. Example, math.square-root 16 returns 4. Let us have a quick recap on what we discussed. Constructors like new date string, new date milliseconds are used to create date object. Math object is used to perform mathematical operations. Math object supports various attributes and methods in JavaScript. Thank you for watching this video.